So today I would like to give it a shout out to Jenny from their marketing team. This one is the UPONUN solar floodlights for outdoor. It comes with the 7 single colors and RGB color changing with the remote control. It is IP67 waterproof solar power landscape lights for backyard, lawn, tree, and patio garden. You could also put this on the front of your lawn. It offers moonlight admiration and spotlight decoration. You could transform your backyard into a beautiful color backyard instead of boring and then a dark backyard. And it also offers 2 different types of installation options. One is for landscape lighting, or you can install this as a wall lighting. With these solar lights, you don't need to pay any electricity bill. This is based on your solar energy. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. But be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description, so you guys could get the discount price on this. So here's the description right here. And it is made in China. Here is a user guide. So the solar panel is 6 volt, 5 watts. It has a lithium ion battery, 3.7 volt, 4400 milliamp. It has 60 of the LEDs. So the charging time, it takes about 6 to 8 hours. And then after that, the working time is 10 to 12 hours once the battery is fully charged. So they come with 2 of these spikes. So this is pretty cool. This is not plastics, so it's gonna last a pretty long time. It seems like it's like aluminum. You can unscrew this. Come with a washer, and then they also come with this 2 of the mounting kit. And then here's the controller right here. Come with 2 of the AAA batteries. So there's your on and off button right here. And then this is the auto mode. And right here is a color changing mix button right here. So this is red, blue, green, and then a switch lighting color mode right here. And these are the different settings for the timers. 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 7, 8, 5 hour. So these are the different setup that you can mount the solar and the light. So for the landscape, you need to use this stake or the spike. And then for the wall mounting, you need to use those screws. So yeah, be sure the solar panel is not blocking from the shade of the tree, or it's not going to charge the light or the battery. So let's go and then check out the light. Wow, look at that. So you got the 60 of those LEDs. And then there is this tiny LED right here. It will show red when the solar panel is charging the battery. It will flashing red, okay? Hopefully my studio light is enough energy so I could show you that. Here's the spec for the solar panel. And then they come with this bracket. Let me open this up. So you need a washer and then this to hand tight the panel. Oh, you need to use the nut. This nut. Alright, so I finished setting this up nicely. And you can mount this on the wall if you like. Or depends on your location. So if you don't want to screw any holes or anything like that, you could mount this on the ground. And then just mount this in the middle section right here on the middle hole. And you can stick it down to the ground. Alright, just like that. So I'm not sure if the battery is fully charged yet or not, so I'm gonna test it out. But let me connect it. Alright, so this is red right now. Let me turn on. You can see the red LED right there. It's charging. You see the red LED is blinking. So that means it's charging. Let me hold it closer to the... So whenever you see the blinking LED right there, that means it's charging. So that means this is red, blue, green. Let's click on the mode and see. So I guess just change a different color mode on this middle button right here. Yeah, I think that's 7 different color. Let's click on the RGB and see. Oh, it's like glowing to a different color tone, so. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So let's go and then click on this auto. Auto mode means charge by sunlight at daytime, discharge at night automatically. So what does that mean? Maybe it means it's going to turn on automatic at nighttime. Well, let me turn on the light and see. Alright, there you go. I just tested out. That means auto means it's going to turn on automatically at the nighttime. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check this out. And thank you for Jenny again for sending me this so I could do the review for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.